Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use templates in Microsoft Word document. So let's get started. So first you have to go to File menu, click on New, then you'll be having this search bar where you can search for online templates. Now in case you need any format or any template for school, you can search for school and then hit enter. You will see thousands of templates online available which can be downloaded and used in Microsoft Word document. Now suppose you need a high school diploma certificate format. So now you click on this and then create. It will show you. So here you can make the changes as per your requirement, and then you can save the file. So there are various templates online available, like you can see once again we can search for a template for college. See, you can find different templates for a college purpose. We'll go through this report. So here you can change the image, you can change the title, and yeah, you can even edit the headings and all, and that's it. So this is how you use a template in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more video. Comment for any doubts or clarification. I'll be replying to your comments. Thanks.